Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode. I am here with Chef Simon. He is my personal chef while I'm here in Mombasa, Kenya. Chef Simon, welcome. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you for having me.
Good. So Chef Simon, tell us a little bit about where you're from.
I'm actually from Mombasa, Kenya. I'm born here and raised here, and my career I pick it from here.
Okay, cool. So in regards to your career, where did you start?
Actually, back in Malindi.
Okay.
At the back of the kitchen, actually everything doesn't start that easy. So I started as a steward.
Okay.
Yeah. So I did this for and then from there I started training in-house in a 5-star hotel, Ocean Beach in Malindi.
Okay.
So after also another 1 year of training in-house, I had to go back to school.
Okay.
So after then I came back for employment in Nyali, Mombasa.
Okay.
After which I started doing my own private thing that is still going on up to now.
Okay.
Which is the brand is Simone's Plate.
Okay.
Yeah, so I keep on traveling with my clients.
Okay.
The farthest I've gone so far, I've gone to Zanzibar.
Okay, cool.
I've gone to Kampala.
Okay.
Travel with both my clients and taking care of their menu.
Okay.
Good food.
Yeah, cool. So what really inspired you to get into cooking? Like, why are you so passionate about cooking?
Just food bring people together.
I agree.
Yeah,
I agree.
Yeah. So I used to host friends back at home.
Mm-hmm.
So I would call my friends, hey, come for a weekend, let's have a barbecue or something, and then. So it just inspired me the way food used to bring us together.
Okay.
Yeah, we spend the afternoon together.
Okay.
Good vibes and all that. So my friends say, why don't you do this? Make it your career. You can really go far with it. Actually, I really enjoy cooking.
Okay.
I really like creating good food
Uh-huh.
out of the world. So
Okay.
I'm always trying to research and do more menus and twist them to bring something new.
Nice. So what would you consider like your specialty? Like what? Like every chef to me, I feel like have their specialty. So what is like your specialty?
I have a specialty, yeah, of course, but I will also say I have a really broad palette. So yeah. But mostly my specialty is like I've gone deep into Italian cuisine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I say Italian cuisine, I mean like seafood, pastas, and all that. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And all that. Yeah.
Well, we're definitely having grilled lobster at some point while we're here. So I'm very much excited to experience his specialty. But where can we find you? So in case that someone wants to come to Mombasa, Kenya, and they want to contact you, where can we follow you?
The handle is Chef Simon's Plate. Chef Simon_plate.
What we'll also do, we'll put all his contact information in the links below.
Yeah.
And also he'll provide us his WhatsApp number. Yeah. So again, we're located right now in Diani, Kenya, which is about an hour away from Mombasa. So he was so kind enough to cook for us while we were here. And so the food we've had so far, you guys, has been absolutely amazing. I've loved everything we've had. He's been very professional. And he took great care of us. So I would love for you guys to definitely hit him up when you come into the area. If you decide to come to Mombasa or Diani, he will definitely, travel to meet with you as well and to cook you guys. Guys, thank you again for watching today. Thank you, Chef Simon, for coming to chat with me today.
Thank you too.
And we will see you guys on our next video. Take care. Peace.